Welcome to US Land Grid's video on acquiring, setting up and testing your tax parcels. Today we're going to download some tax parcels or property information from Oklahoma. We could scroll down and look for our county, but we're going to use the search box today. I'm going to type in Adair parcels. Specifically, I want to find Adair tax parcels in Oklahoma. Luckily, it's the first one that comes up, Adair County tax parcels. As you can see, we can choose shapefiles, geodatabase, or both. We're going to choose both today. Let's go ahead and proceed through the checkout. We already have an account, so we're going to go ahead and log in, confirm our address information. There's no payment information required for this example, but you would be able to pay via credit card or PayPal. We're going to accept our terms and conditions and go ahead and place the order. So once that's complete, we've received our order and we go to the next page where we can go ahead and download the information that we just ordered. So we're taken to the My Accounts page where I can then click on My Downloadable Products. As you can see, we've got both the shapefiles and geodatabases for the Adair County tax parcels. We're going to go ahead and download the shapefiles. I'm going to go ahead and save it in a particular folder, give it a name that I'll remember, and click OK. So once that's done, we can go ahead and bring that into any mapping program like Petra, Geographics, any of the AutoCAD products. But for today's example, we're going to use ESRI's ArcMap. So I'm going to go ahead and select my Adair tax parcels. As you can see, we've got both lat long NAD 83 and lat long NAD 27. That comes with all our files, so you get both selections. I've gone ahead and brought in the tax parcels now, and we're looking at the attribute information. I'm specifically showing this so you can see the depth and detail behind our tax parcels and the type of information that you're going to receive. It also gives you a bit of an example of the data model that we use, which is consistent across all our data sets. So as we study the attributes and the attribute table, we're able to go ahead and select pertinent information that's going to be useful for our mapping project. One thing I just highlighted was the legal descriptions for each of those tax parcels. So we can go back and look at our map now and start to build the map the way we want to see it. So let's go ahead and start to symbolize some of our layers. Let's make them a color range, I guess, based on parcel value, as in the net value per acreage for the particular parcels, dollar value that is. So we've got some sort of color ramp or color band going on here. We're going to go ahead and label those parcels as well, and I'm going to write a very easy expression today so that we label it with multiple attributes. So owner name is one of the attributes we want to see. The next attribute is going to be, I think, maybe parcel value would be a good selection, or sorry, parcel ID, and then we'll go with parcel value with regards to the cost per acreage or value per acreage in a dollar amount. VB new line essentially just puts each value on the next line, so I've got a nice tidy attribute labels for my map. So we'll verify that where there are attributes, it'll go ahead and populate. I'm going to set up a scale range so that it doesn't show when I'm too far out, the labels that is. I don't want my map to look too busy. So we should be able to now go ahead and click OK and start to look at how our map is starting to form. Let's go ahead and zoom in. We can start to see our color ramp and the values associated with the particular colors. So I'm going to go ahead and leave you now, but I think you get the idea with regards to the sort of attributes that you can label your map with, how to use our data, the type of data that you're able to choose from with regards to the free shapefile and geodatabase selection where you can choose both, and also the fact that you get lat long, NAT83 and NAT27 with your file formats. Don't forget as well, everything that you do order is backed up, so you can come back, log into your account, go to my accounts page, my downloads, and then you'll see all your downloads and your previous orders where you can go ahead and get your data again in case it's been misplaced. Thanks so much. Enjoy the rest of the presentation, and we really appreciate your time.